kid sneak.
You made that music.
She a couple years younger, but she better than them all. Saying better than them all. She got her own.
What it's like to be a teacher, campus safety hawk, or maybe even a school secretary? Want to have some fun and gain some appreciation for your staff here at NHS? Senior Takeover Day is May 1st. Seniors, we are letting you know now because you will need to be soaring in attendance, behavior, and grades to participate. Be listening for further announcements regarding applications. Mark your calendars for April 2nd. It is Open House and Multicultural Night. What a wonderful event to celebrate the many different cultures we have here on campus. If you are a club or interested in performing at Open House, please come see your activities director, Ms. Holcomb, in C104. Deadline to apply to perform is March 22nd.
Congratulations to Berenice Garibay for smashing the sit-up record in PE, beating both the boys and girls record. The old record for girls was 83, and for boys it was 80. The new record is 95. Way to go, Berenice. Are you interested in a free barbecue, farmers market, immunizations, health screenings, and other fun activities? Wait, I know what you're thinking. You had me at barbecue. Okay, all this good stuff is happening Friday, March 22nd from 3 to 6 p.m. here at Natomas High School. Come to the Health, Wellness, and Resource Fair here at NHS on Friday the 22nd.
Juniors and seniors, prom is fast approaching. You are almost out of time. Tickets are $110 with ASB and $135 without. Today is the last day to buy your tickets and secure your seat on the bus to an evening that everyone will be talking about. Do not miss out. We want you there. Buy your prom tickets today. It's your last chance.
For athletic achievements, we have a big shout out to Sir Simmons on his 500-meter rowing challenge. Last week, he rowed 500 meters in 2 minutes and 4 seconds. For anyone who has ever rowed 500 meters, it is both a physical challenge and a psychological challenge. Congratulations, Sir Simmons.
Are you a sophomore or junior interested in visiting our nation's capital, Washington, D.C., next February as a part of a school field trip?
If so, then you'll want to attend the first meeting of the Close-Up Club taking place during lunchtime on Thursday, March 28th.
Don't miss this opportunity to soar into D.C. in 2020 with a group of your fellow Nighthawks.
For more information, see Mr. Key, Mr. Jury, Ms. Marsango, or Mr. Remedios.
I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray the day you walked away. You were the clock that was ticking in my heart, changed my state of mind, when love's so hard to find. Your feelings changed like the weather, went from clear to gray, all that time became.
Describe senioritis. Senioritis is pretty much when you're done. You just don't care no more. Like, you're over everything, over school, over life. Yeah.
Okay, now you got 34 days of school left. How do you feel?
Whoa, 34 days left of school. I still have not learned how to get here on time. But I'm ready, I'm eager to find out what the world has in store for me after high school, so I'm ready.
Describe senioritis.
You don't care about homework, you don't care about school, you don't care about class. You care, but there's no motivation to get anything done.
It's having motivation to do nothing, and that's it.
34 days of school left. How do you feel?
I'm just ready to get out of here. Ready to graduate.
I'm kind of depressed. Like, I want to go, but I don't want to go. I don't want to get old.
Describe senioritis.
Senioritis is that feeling of just not wanting to go to class, not wanting to do your work, and just not caring about school.
34 days of school left. How do you feel?
34? Damn. I don't know. I guess I'm just ready to get out of here, see what life brings, have fun, party.
Explain senioritis.
It's like a bus. Like, it just comes and it goes. I don't know.
34 days left of school. How do you feel?
Bye.
34 days left of school. How do you feel?
I just want to leave.
I feel you.
34 days of school left. How do you feel?
I think like every senior, I'm pretty sad that's going to end, but I'm happy to start a new journey in my life. Hopefully go to college and do better things there.
Describe senioritis.
Senioritis is when you just don't want to do nothing. You're just in class on your phone and you just feel like going home every day.
Okay. 34 days of school left. How do you feel?
I just want to go home.
Describe senioritis.
Senioritis is not wanting to go to class or not wanting to do your homework because you only got a couple
days left of school, so you ready to get out of here?
34 days left. How do you feel?
I feel good. I'm ready to get out of high school and go to college and start my life.
Describe senioritis.
You're lazy, you don't want to do any of your work, you just want to go home and take a nap, just pretty much not do anything.
34 days left of school. How do you feel?
I feel good, but like I'm gonna miss all this, you know, even though right now I'm not missing it at all. But eventually I'm gonna miss it and want to come back here because I gotta pay bills and stuff. I'm not ready for all that.
Describe senioritis.
Well, it's really when you don't really like care about school anymore, you know. Gonna like get out of school right away, you know.
34 days left of school. How do you feel?
I feel great, actually. Just want to get it over with. Go to college.
How does it feel knowing that it's the seniors' last 34 days of high school?
I'm a little, I got some mixed emotions, right? Because this is my first year here, so this is my first school year with you guys, and now that you brought it up, I'm a little emotional about the last 34 days with you guys. That's it.
How do you feel knowing it's the seniors' last 34 days of school?
I'm sad is the first word that comes to mind. I'm excited for their futures, and I am definitely going to, I will miss you all, every single one of you. So that's going to be the hardest part for me. But like I said, and like I've said all the seniors in the past, you know, do you. Live your lives, speak your truths, and I know you guys are going to do extraordinary things. You are extraordinary people, and we are always going to be here, every single one of us. So if you need anything at all, please come back and visit. We're going to be here. We like it when you visit, actually. So, you know, I don't know. I'm so sad about this, and I can't, I'm finding it difficult just to form the words to, you know, to tell you all how much we all love you, how much I love you all. So, yeah, we got 34 days, right? We got 34 days to make this even better. So, thank you guys for teaching us.
How does it feel knowing it's the seniors' last 34 days of school?
It's only 34 days. Man, I better pick out a good spot for my beach chair. No, but in seriousness, it's short time, you guys. I hope you're appreciating every single day that's left. I don't know, it's sad every year. It's tough teaching seniors because, like, you know, I end up missing you guys. It's bad news. So I try not to think about it too much. Hopefully you're soaking it up as much as you guys can. But enjoy these last couple of days. Make the end glorious.
Ready?
Hey, dude.
I've been diagnosed with senioritis since I started high school. Thank you.
All right.
Next.
No.